colours I'm seeing trending at the moment are really earthy, warm tones, from neutrals through to deep sort of reds and burgundies and greens with a real earthiness to them. To pick the right shade for your home, it's important to consider the materials that aren't going to change in the home, so things like timbers, tiles, brickwork, and making sure you riff off of those for the paintwork that's in the home. My biggest tip for trying a colour in the home before committing to painting is to grab a really cheap stretched canvas and get a roller and roll out 2 coats of paint on that and move it around the house and think about how it feels during the different times of day, different lights, and how it might connect with the other materials in the home.